He's upset because he has to pay the $99 rebooking fee for not making the flight. Advise him. He wants to speak to a supervisor. Ask him to go upstairs. He says no.
Here's your ID. You want to go to jail too?
When I tell you to leave and you say I'd rather go to jail, then I have to accommodate you.
On April 18th, 2025, Broward Sheriff's deputies arrested a Spirit Airlines passenger at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport. The passenger was upset over a $99 rebooking fee, refused to leave the ticket counter, and was charged with disorderly intoxication and trespass. 2 charges were filed. Each carries distinct legal elements that deserve close examination.
What's going on?
Hey, Chris.
What's up?
Got this gentleman here. He's upset because he has to pay the $99 rebooking fee for not making the flight. Advise him. He wants to speak to a supervisor. Ask him to go upstairs. He says no, they need to come down here. Ask him to please move away. If not, they'll come here. He refuses to move.
What's going on?
How are you?
I'm good.
I just want to speak a manager.
Okay. Segundo piso.
Hey, what's his name?
What's that?
What's his name?
I don't know which one you want to see.
Huh?
¿Cuánto bebitas? How much you had to drink?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing. So, what's his name?
Let me tell you what. You're not going to do it to me. I'll tell you straight up today. Okay, I'll help you, but you're not going to talk to me like that. You understand? So let's clear this. Take your hands out of your pockets. Take your hand. Number one, you're in the air. I'm going to tell you straight up. Number one, let me see your ID. Here's your ID. You want to go to jail today? You're in an airport. Number one. You're
go
in.
Ahead.
You're in.
Go ahead.
This is in
Take
public.
me to jail.
Okay.
Just because.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
You're going to be 51 and 97.
They're refusing to leave. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, man. You.
Okay.
Okay. Let me.
You're trespassing now. No. You're going to fight me. So you're going to leave or no? We're asking you to leave. You ready to go?
Let me.
You ready to go?
No, let me.
You ready to go? Tú eres muy borracho. Number one, you're drunk. I'm going to take, yeah. You're going to walk outside or I'm going to take you to jail. You understand? You can film whatever you want.
Record this shit.
Let's go outside.
Yeah, but I got to record this. Wait,
You don't want to leave.
I got to record this.
¿Qué está pasando aquí? Señor, ¿qué está pasando?
Papi, papi,
Nos tenemos que ir, vente.
papi,
Nos tenemos que ir.
papi.
No, vamos.
Wait, come on, man.
Oye, te van a arrestar, deja de estar jodiendo.
Okay, que me arresten. Que me arresten.
You gonna go up?
No, he's up. They don't want him here.
Okay.
No, que me arresten.
They don't want him here. They've been drinking and you
No,
don't want to
I
give an
don't
ID
be
or
drinking.
anything.
I don't be drinking.
He don't want to. He don't want to give anything. He don't want to give his ID or anything.
Yo,
Now he's
wait.
trespassing.
Wait. You don't know the situation.
I do know the situation. I got the situation. I offered you to see a supervisor. I told you to take your hands out of your pocket. Hold on. I asked you for your ID.
No,
Hold on.
pocket's right here.
That doesn't matter. I
Right
told you
here.
to take them out. Hold on. Number two is, I'll let him talk.
All right.
Hey, you guys charge me. Ay, no, Carlos. No.
Óyeme, señor. Tú vas a traer más problemas que necesitas. ¿Ok? Aquí te tienes que ir ya. ¿Ok? No tienes business aquí.
Papi. Yo soy... Tengo ley.
Okay, listen. Tú estás tomeando porque I can smell it. Let me see your ID. You're gonna go ahead and go.
No, porque no... Yo no cometí ningún crimen.
Aquí no hay opción.
No tengo...
Aquí no hay opción. Si no te vas, te van a arrestar. ¿Ok? Cuando el oficial te dice que te tienes que ir, te tienes que ir. ¿Ok?
Papi.
No hay papi nada. Te estoy diciendo. Yo estoy aquí hablando contigo hombre a hombre.
Hombre.
¿Ok?
Pero
te vas, no te preocupes por él. Estamos hablando porque yo estoy aquí ahora. ¿Ok? Te estoy diciendo que no haces una decisión que you're gonna regret.
Sí,
¿Ok?
que me joda.
Ok. Work on it un otro día. ¿Ok? Si estás tomando, se puede, yo lo puedo oler. A mí no me importa, yo estoy diciendo qué está pasando aquí. ¿Ok? Ya es tiempo que te tienes que ir. Va a tener que conseguir otro vuelo en otro puerto. No, aquí no te puedes quedar. ¿Ok? Te tienes que ir.
¿Ya tengo otro vuelo aquí?
Yo no te voy a dejar. Te tienes que
Ya
ir.
tengo otro mañana.
Mañana otro día. No hoy.
No, mañana tengo otro vuelo.
Mañana. Ok, so vaya para el hotel, para casa, cualquier cosa. Dame tu ID porque tengo que hacer un reporte.
¿Cuál es el nombre de él?
Yo lo voy a poner en el reporte. Dame tu ID.
¿Ah?
Dame el ID tuyo.
No quiero dar tu ID. Mi ID porque yo no cometí ningún crimen.
You got his information inside? Can you get it for me? They put it on the air.
Yeah.
Yeah, get me all his 43 in there.
Front porch, outside the
Okay, so te tienes que ir, okay?
Ok, pero no te voy a dar mi ID.
¿Está bien? Yo lo saco ellos no tienen toda tu información. No lo necesito. Pero te tienes que ir, ¿ok? Vaya para casa o cualquier cosa, ¿ok? ¿Tú ves? Esto se está poniendo lleno de policía porque ya son un problema, ¿ok?
Falta que prefiero ir preso de que usted...
Está bien. Yo estoy aquí para jugar contigo, ¿ok? Yo no estoy aquí para jugar, ya. Te lo expliqué ya. Vamos para después. Vamos para la cárcel. Vamos. ¿Ok?
Florida Statute Section 856.011 defines disorderly intoxication. The statute requires two elements working together. First, the person must be intoxicated. Second, they must either endanger safety or cause a public disturbance. Being intoxicated in public alone is not a crime in Florida. The state must prove the conjunctive standard, intoxication, plus disturbance or endangerment, beyond a reasonable doubt. In this case, the arresting officer stated he could smell alcohol on the subject. However, the bodycam footage shows the subject speaking coherently in two languages and maintaining physical balance throughout the encounter. The subject raised his voice and used aggressive language, but he did not threaten anyone, did not make physical contact, and did not create a safety hazard. Whether this behavior meets the statutory threshold for public disturbance is debatable. The trespass charge stands on stronger footing. Under Florida Statute Section 8 to 10.0 to 8, trespass in a structure occurs when a person is warned to leave by an authorized representative and refuses. Spirit Airlines employees asked the subject to leave. Deputies communicated this directive multiple times in both English and Spanish. The subject explicitly refused and stated he would rather go to jail. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, officers may effect a custodial arrest for any criminal offense committed in their presence, including misdemeanors. The elements of trespass after warning appear clearly satisfied. The subject's own recorded statements effectively eliminate any viable defense to this charge. From a tactical perspective, this encounter demonstrates a sharp contrast in de-escalation approaches. The first responding officer escalated to threats of arrest within 30 seconds of contact without attempting meaningful dialogue. The bilingual deputy who arrived later communicated in the subject's primary language, explained consequences clearly, offered alternatives, and maintained a respectful tone throughout. This approach represents evidence-based de-escalation.
Vamos.
No, ¿mi teléfono?
Yo lo tengo aquí en mi mano. Vamos.
Sorry, 1113. I'm going to send my this one to 1033.
Un gusto. Un gusto. Es súper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn, man. Come on, man.
This is your phone.
Four more waiting for you upstairs.
That's unfair. It's a waste of tax money.
I'm sure he talked to you a couple of times, right?
Wait. I just want to tell it was unfair that what they did to me.
When I tell you to leave and you say I'd rather go to jail, then I have to accommodate you.
have to listen.
You don't have to listen to me. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, go in my trunk and get my there's a bag in there.
Wait.
Oh, actually no, I don't have the bag anymore. All right, throw everything inside the bag.
No. I don't have any weapon. Nothing.
Good. Glad you don't.
All right. Have a seat. Let me get my bag out.
Yeah, I'm checking it.
Don't worry. I got it. I gotta fix it. Let me know.
I have to pay the money.
So I gotta fix it.
We got it. All right.
Thank you.
I'll see you, man.
Okay.
Are you guys going to let him fly anymore? Because you refuse him service, right?
I don't know what I don't know what's wrong.
But you asked him to leave several times. He doesn't want to leave. I know.
He finished with
Okay. No, I know you told me. Okay.
He wanted to speak to a manager or supervisor, told him to go upstairs.
Right, he refused. He told me. Right.
Who's the supervisor? I told him, I don't know, I've been 7 in the morning, I haven't gone upstairs.
Okay.
And he used a few words in Spanish that were,
Okay. But basically, you're done with him. He doesn't want to. Because that's what he told me when I got here. So he doesn't want to. Okay.
He doesn't want to leave.
Okay. Okay.
And then the same thing he told you, what's his name? That's what he was telling us.
Right. I don't know. I offered to take him.
We don't
Okay.
know who it is.
Okay.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. With the legal and tactical framework established, each party receives the following grades. The first responding officer receives a C+. While the arrest was legally justified, his immediate escalation to threats left no room for voluntary compliance. Demanding identification and saying, quote, "You want to go to jail today?" within seconds of contact falls below de-escalation standards. His failure to recognize the language barrier and request a bilingual officer earlier compounded the problem. The actions were lawful but tactically deficient. The bilingual officer receives an A-. This deputy's intervention was the turning point of the encounter. Speaking the subject's language, reframing the situation as a choice rather than a threat, and adapting when the subject refused identification all reflect excellent tactical judgment. The minor deduction reflects the comment about smelling alcohol, which, while potentially accurate, risked dismissing the subject's claims rather than addressing them. The subject receives a D+. He refused every opportunity to resolve the situation, declined to provide identification, and explicitly stated he preferred arrest over departure. His underlying complaint about the fee may have had merit, but his response transformed a fixable dispute into a criminal record. Credit is given for not becoming physically violent and for complying with officers once the arrest was initiated. Spirit Airlines staff receive a B-. They accurately briefed officers and cooperated throughout. However, their failure to locate a supervisor before calling law enforcement raises questions about whether internal remedies were exhausted. This encounter offers 3 important lessons. First, for law enforcement, language barriers are not obstacles, they are tactical variables. Deploying a bilingual officer early can prevent escalation entirely. Communication is the most effective use of force tool available. Second, for the public, a customer service dispute does not grant the right to remain on private property after a trespass warning. The legal remedy for an unfair business practice is a complaint, a chargeback, or a consumer protection filing, not a refusal to leave. Third, for businesses, calling law enforcement should be the last resort, not the first response to an unhappy customer. Exhausting internal options protects both the customer and the company. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.